Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. So maybe you've come online and you're just looking to create some passive income for yourself, and you've tried a few things and maybe it's not working, or you've learned for a few things from some people and it's just not working for you. Well, in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the 4-step, very simple steps, strategies that's going to help you start earning some passive income online, and we're going to do it like a total boss. All right, so you come online and you want to become that total boss. Total boss lifestyle, being able to do the fun things that you want in life and not be tied down to some job or somebody else telling you what to do. You get to create your own dreams, and you get to do it right here online on the internet, and you can do it with all kinds of strategies. And what I'm going to do right here is just give you 4 basic things. And if you can master these, you're going to earn passive income online. Before we do that though, hit that subscribe button. And then hit that bell. That way you get notified of all of the videos that I come out with to you on a daily basis. So coming online, there's just basic things you gotta have, and you gotta get up and running and do these. Okay, and there's gonna be 4 things that I really like to. Anytime that I'm struggling, or maybe I'm looking to generate more income, these are the 4 things that I fall back onto. Okay, first one is gonna be this, and it's gonna be the most important thing. And it's gonna be your mindset. It's gonna be your belief that you can do this. Right? It's so important that you just have to have the belief that, yes, I can do this. Other people are having great success. You look at their success. If they can do it, so can you. And you have to have that mindset and that belief. And once you get that out of the way, then you can have success. No, it's not going to be like you're just going to flip a switch and then one day you're going to be like, yes, I believe. It takes time, because your mind has been conditioned over and over and over again that, you're a failure. We have this schooling system that gives you F's and D's if you're a failure. But in reality, in life, you're going to take some shots and you're going to take some failures, but you don't let these failures get in the way of your mindset and your belief. The best way to get your belief going is every day try to find some kind of positive, motivational thing that you can listen to or read. Go to a YouTube video and just watch some motivational, listen to it. Jim Rohn, Tony Robbins, anything like this is going to get your mindset, it's going to get your belief going that you can have success. Okay, so the first thing is always get that belief right, get your mindset on the right direction. Now, the second thing is this, is you got to have a great offer. Okay, a great offer is going to be something that you can go find a very hungry crowd, a crowd that needs a solution to a problem, and that offer that you have is going to be what you're going to offer that hungry crowd. A great offer will make or break anything, okay? But now there's tons of offers out there. There's tons of opportunities out there. But the important thing is you find one that you can believe in, okay? That you can believe and have success with, and take that offer and go put that in front of the right people. Now, what's the right offer and what's the right, in front of the right people? Well, it depends. I mean, there's lots of things out there that you could go find. What I would recommend is you find something that has a stair-step effect to it, okay? An offer that has a low ticket front end and that has an ability to make big commissions on the back end, okay? Maybe something that's set up for you, or maybe you set it up for yourself. If you're just trying to promote these little $50 commissions and you're going to make 80% of the commissions, you're going to have a hard time with it. What I want you to do is find one that has a funnel, that if you get somebody into the funnel, you can make a little bit on the front end and then a lot on the back end. But the offer has to be super important. It has to be super, being able to help people succeed. So if you have that hungry crowd, that offer you put in front of them is going to be the great thing. Now, the third one is going to be, I was talking about having a great funnel. You want to be able to get somebody into your funnel. You got to take cold traffic, people that don't know you, maybe they don't know their problem, or maybe they just don't even care at the time, okay? That's cold traffic. That's Facebook, your Facebook feed. That's, YouTube traffic a lot of times is cold traffic. Now, when you get somebody into your email list, you get somebody maybe to a blog, that's going to be traffic that you own, and that's going to be traffic that you can promote your other products to. But the most important thing is getting somebody from cold traffic onto your list where you can follow up with them, you can give them more content, you can offer more content that's going to help them. And when you do that, now you're considered warm traffic. People know you, they like you, they trust you, so you can offer your products to them. So a great funnel is going to be getting somebody in the front door and then offering products to them on the back end. Okay, so that's going to be the third most important thing. And how do you find a funnel? Well, you can create a funnel yourself. You can go to ClickFunnels if you want and create a funnel. You could use Conversion Pros, which is another good one. You can create a funnel that way. You could use high ticket offers. Digital Altitude is one that I like to promote because it's a funnel that's already set up. It's already built out. There's a lot of other good ones out there. Mobe is a good one. There's a lot of other top tier programs out there that have funnels set up for you. And if you can find a funnel that has a lot of good high-end ticket products that help people succeed, then that's the one that you should be getting into. But definitely want to get a lead capture page set up on the front end, have somebody get onto your email list. You can get an Aweber account to connect that, and that'll do a lot of the automation, a lot of your emails that are automated. But definitely put somebody through a funnel. Now the fourth thing, and probably the most important thing, and one of the things that everybody's always asking about, and this is getting traffic. Okay, so traffic, website traffic, getting eyeballs to your lead capture page, getting eyeballs to your website, getting eyeballs to your offer. So the traffic is one of the things that everybody seems to struggle with. And I can tell you right now that traffic is not the big problem. The big problem really is converting that traffic into warm traffic, okay? Or converting your warm traffic into sales that you can make money with. So traffic, it's all over the place. You have YouTube. You can get tons of traffic from YouTube. YouTube ads. You can buy all kinds of YouTube ads if you wanted to. You got Facebook. There's Facebook groups. There's Facebook fan pages. There's, you do your Facebook, your personal profile. You got Facebook ads. There's tons of, Facebook ads is crazy. There's just absolutely hundreds and millions of ways to advertise your products to a certain group. Then you have Google search engine. You create a blog, you create content. Google search engine will link to your blog or content. So there's tons of traffic that way. There's Google AdWords that you can actually place your Google link, your link inside of Google AdWords, which is on the Google search engine itself. Bing has their own ad center. You can buy traffic from Bing. There's solo ads. If you want to buy solo ads where people have email lists, they'll actually email your product, your link for you. So, and there's banner ads. You got banner ads all over the place. You can actually place banners on big high profile websites like CNN or Fox News, things like that if you wanted to. Buysellads.com is a place to do that. Okay, you can buy banner ads. So getting traffic is not really the issue. Okay, it's the conversions for it. But the thing that I like to leave the traffic on the end of this, because if you get all three of these before traffic right, then the traffic is really going to be easy for you to get. So let's look at them really again. Number one is going to be mindset, your belief that you can do this. Okay, all you have to do is just work on yourself every day. Work on increasing your belief system, your ability to wanting to succeed. Okay, the second thing is going to be making sure that you have a great offer. Okay, a very good offer is going to be one that is going to help people succeed. Okay, it's going to help people get to a better situation or help people take a big problem and you solve it with that offer. Third thing is going to be the funnel, making sure you get somebody into a funnel. You turn somebody from a cold prospect, right, cold traffic, into warm traffic. And you do that by putting them into an opt-in form, getting them onto your email list. That way you can follow up with them. And the last thing is going to be traffic. Just find a good traffic source that is going to be conducive to your offer. If you're promoting a fitness offer, go find where people hang out that are looking for fitness. Okay, there's all kinds of fitness fan pages that you could promote on, or fitness groups that you could promote on. Internet marketing things, go find internet marketing groups and places that you can offer your services, okay? So that's the 4 things to get up and get running. That's going to help you earn passive income online. So if you like this video, click on the like button. Also share it with your friends. Comment below, let me know how I can help your business. This is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed that, and we will see you on the next one.